Hey Lazy Girl Approved fam, I am back today with another wig review, and I'm trying things that I don't normally try, especially because they're on sale or clearance. Today we have a Bobbi Boss lace. It's a 13 by 4 deep lace, pre-plucked realistic density, and it's free parting. It is MLF231 Suzy, and the color is TTF 6189. So, this is her. Come on, camera. You can do it. Thank you, honey. So, let's get her out of the package and see what we got. All right, this is her card. And I remember now why she was one I just kind of took a chance on, because she is blonde, and I still don't know which color blonde looks good on me. I'll figure it out one day. So this is what she's looking like. She's basically blonde with dark roots and some pops of orange. I would say this is realistic pre-plucked. That's pretty dang good. So we shall see once I get the lace cut off what she's looking like. All right, we've got the lace cut. Hopefully I did a better job this time. It's the realistic hairlines I have a little more trouble with because I'm just not used to it. Okay, I can tell the difference, just how it feels with the realistic part, and I can see that I definitely need to cut that lace farther back, maybe. Or there we go, that's better. A little bit. Oh gosh, she feels amazing. Holy cow. So I've had like maybe two that were more expensive before that had realistic parts and like were the upgraded type of hair. This is lovely. Oh man, she just feels and looks like real hair. Oh my goodness. Okay. And I think that this blonde looks okay on me because it's like a mixture. You know, it's got like highlights and the roots are darker, so I think I could pull this one off. And I love that it's a free part. Just, oh, it's like my hair. Oh, this is lovely. Okay. I need to go look how much I paid for this. Hold, please. Okay, you guys, I got this on clearance from hisandher.com. It was a little while back, but sometimes you can find these things in the local stores when they're not online anymore. And I haven't checked to see if it's still online somewhere. But let me tell you, I only paid $19.95 for this. Yes, please. I wish I would have done this review earlier. I would have went and bought like every color they had. She's amazing. I don't know what she was originally. When I go edit this, I'm going to look and see how much she was originally. And I know I've seen that, like, and there's probably all the wig lines do this, but Bobbi Boss has like an upgraded line, you know, of wigs. Holy cow. And I love that you can kind of, if you part it a certain way, you can kind of hide the orange if you want, or you can let it pop. And I literally can just do this with my hair, and it looks like my freaking hair. Oh my gosh. Stunning. $20. Oh my god. I know, I'm freaking out right now. I just need to like play with this this hairline a little bit. Just wow. Okay. And see if I can tint it or put that scar stuff under it to make it a little lighter for me. Yes. Okay. I've lost my mind. Let me do the other stuff. big, oh yeah, she's big head friendly. She's lots of big head friendly. So that's good. Big head friendly for sure. No iffies, just definitely big head friendly. But I also, you know, I have a small head and it doesn't feel like she's going to come off. So the circumference is, you know, to where it's not so big that it's going to feel like it's moving around on your head. If you have an average size head, I can't stop touching her. She's so soft. She looks so realistic. Like, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to just see the amazingness of this. It's freaking gorgeous. I'm going to go look right now and see if it's still on sale somewhere. Buy some more. Don't tell my husband. We're buying a house and I told him I wouldn't buy anymore right now. Or I told myself mostly. So. All right, so she's amazing. Let me go give you guys a 360. And then we'll come back and I'll give my final thoughts. I think you already know my thoughts, but let's just go take a look at her in a 360. Yeah, I'm in love with her. She's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. She's gorgeous. And it's, again, like my hair. Like if I did this and tried to part my hair something else, some other way, this is what it would behave like. I can't stop touching her. Yeah. She's up. Thumbs like all the way to the freaking ceiling. I don't know. She has the usual fake hair smell, nothing yucky. Just, you know, could use a little spritz of something. Yeah, I love her. So, and I'm absolutely stunned that I paid $19.95 for this. Like I said, I'm about to go see if it's still on sale somewhere in different colors and buy them all. So, don't be surprised if you see different colors in a review soon. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Final thoughts. Love her. Super big head friendly, at least this way. And it's stretchy. So this is a little tight around here, but not super tight. It's a free part. She looks dumb realistic. There's nothing I don't like about her. So yeah, she's the 82 thumbs up from Lazy Girl Approved. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you soon. Bye.